Introduction to the Soft PLC. Formation. Formation is a PLC programming environment that we will be using in this course. We will use Formation in its simplest functionality because we wanted to focus on the PLC programming skills, which is the main purpose of this course. Once you have learned the PLC programming skills, then you can decide which specific programming environment brand you wanted to use. Whether you wanted to use Siemens, Allen Bradley, ABB, Schneider, Rosemount, and others. Start with a clean sheet of paper. Whatever PLC programming environment bias that you have, just put it aside. This lesson will cover the following topics. Number 1. How to add a function block. Number 2. How to zoom in and out of a function block. Number 3. How to cut and paste a function block. Number 4. How to add variables to the inputs and output knobs. How to download program into a real-time soft PLC. Number 6. How to simulate variables in a real-time soft PLC. Number 7. How to connect function block inputs and outputs. This is the programming workspace. It is organized in 32 columns from A to AF. It is organized in 32 rows from 1 to 32. This is the place for your FBD program or code. These are the function block selection buttons. These are groups. You have dynamic, compare, select, logic. Now let's select the logic group button. How to add a function block. Under the logic group button, you have AND, you have the OR gate, you have the XOR, the NOT, SR, and the others. Now, let's select the AND gate. Move the cursor to your desired location in the workspace. Left click the mouse to put the function block. Right click the mouse to release. How to zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out the function block for clarity. Select the desired area to zoom by left clicking the mouse and drag the mouse to cover the selected area. Click Windows, Tab, and click on Zoom Selected. Then you have a Zoom In function block. How to move function block by cut and paste. To move a function block, just select the block and perform cut and paste operation. Move cursor to the new location. Click Edit tab and click on Paste. The logic block is now moved into cell G11 from cell J11. You can use the scroll bar to move the workspace horizontally or vertically. How to add a variable used as input. Let's add a variable at the input knob and type in01, enter. And then a pop-up variable declaration window will come out. Select the data type and choose boolean as data type for in01. Type some useful description. Click the Add button. Click the OK button. Now you have a variable in01 tied to the input knob in01. Let's add some more input variables. Let's repeat the process of adding variables to the remaining input and output knobs. Type some useful description. Click the Add button. Click the OK button. Let's repeat the process of adding variables to the remaining input and output knobs. Type some useful description. Click the Add button. Click the OK button. How to download a PLC program into the online PLC. It's time to download our program into the online soft PLC. Select Online tab and click Download Real-Time Data. Our program is now live. You will see live values of the inputs and output knob. How to test your PLC program: by simulating input variables and observe result in the output variables. It's time to simulate the inputs and observe the outputs. Select Online tab, then click on Variable Control. In the Variable Control pop-up, let us now change in01 logic from false to true. Observe the in01 input variable, change logic from false to true. In the Variable Control pop-up, let us now change in02 logic from false to true. Observe the output. It is now true because this is an AND gate. True inputs for in01 and in02 means the output is true. How to connect function blocks input and output using variable. In this program, we wanted to connect the output of the AND gate, which is the out knob, to the input of the RS flip-flop gate, which is the S knob. Position your cursor to the output of the AND gate. Let's define a variable and call it AND1OUT. The variable is defined as bool data type, and let's put in some description. Now, we position our cursor to the input of the RS flip-flop gate. Use the defined variable and connect to RS1 S input. It's time to download changes to the online PLC to test. If you observe, output AND1OUT is now logically connected to RS1 using a variable. How to connect function blocks input and output using wire. Connect AND1OUT to RS1 S. Select the wire function. Select the wire type to use. This time we use the straight wire. Position your wire to connect from AND1OUT and start putting the straight wire. Continue the straight wire until it connects to RS1 S input. Let's download the changes to the online PLC to test.